Good evening. Welcome to Cleo Family everyone. Let's start. Hey guys. Today's vlog is underwater tour. The underwater environment refers to the region below the surface of and immersed in liquid water in a natural or artificial feature called a body of water, such as an ocean, sea, lake, pond. Some characteristics of the underwater environment are universal, but many depend on the local situation. Liquid water has been present on Earth for most of the history of the planet. An aquatic ecosystem is an ecosystem in a body of water. Communities of organisms that are dependent on each other and on their environment live in aquatic ecosystem. Sea snakes or coral reef snakes are a subfamily of element snakes, the hydrophyinae that inhabit marine environments for most or all of their lives. Sea snakes are extensively adapted to a fully aquatic life and are unable to move on land, except for the genus Latticauda, which has limited land movement. Thanks for watching. Let's see next video. If you like our videos, write comment.